how to use Trello. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can use Trello. So when you guys sign up for Trello, this is the dashboard that you guys are gonna see. So from over here, choose the name of your Trello workspace. After that, simply put in the email addresses of the emails that you want to invite of the people that are in your team. After that, click on continue. Now that's gonna take you guys over here. So from over here, you guys can click on start free trial or click on take me to Trello if you guys don't want to try Trello premium. So once you guys are logged in, this is the dashboard that you guys are gonna see of Trello. So on the left side, you guys have the boards, highlights, views, and also to view your members, you have a section as well. And you also have the option to view all of your settings. So to create your first board, you guys can go to your boards. And then from over here, you guys can either choose from the most popular templates, or you guys can just simply click on create a custom board. So to create a custom board, all that you guys need to do is click on create new board. And then from over here, choose the background color of your board. And then after that, choose a board titles. For example, I'm gonna choose a test board, and then choose a visibility. You can either have it be private, public, or workspace. Click on create. And now after that, you guys can simply see your board. So you guys can now add cards over here on all of these different columns. You guys can type in whatever you want over here. For example, submit voiceovers. Then when this is done, you guys can move it over here, and you guys can instruct your team to do this. And this way, all of your contents are gonna be basically managed and also viewable by every single person. Then you guys also have the option to do some automation as well with Trello, and you guys can also upgrade if you guys want to use some of their free Trello power-ups by using their premium version. So guys, that is how easy it is to use Trello to create a board and to create a workspace. And of course, the premium version is going to give you even more features. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.